So let's see the quick demo of this game which I just built in Flutter and Antigravity using this new model of Gemini 3.1 Pro. And I can see this 3D game actually this working perfectly, and it's also I just installed in my real device, and the 3D actually support without any external dependencies and all. So that's we will try to build over here. So let's moving to start implementation. So before we start implementation, I especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, which is .NET Real World Example, and here I just start this game development using the Flutter and Antigravity. So yeah, those are session you can just go through. And also if you want to learn AI integration, any application and front end back end as a full stack developer, or any kind of a mobile development, game development, so you can just learn many things over here. So yeah, let's get start implementation. So let's open Antigravity and new window and open up a folder and go to particular destination where I want to create a project. So let me go to there and create a folder and select this folder, empty folder. So once you're done, now you are able to see this is empty folder which has nothing, so which we have to try to build a new game with endless game with the 3D object without any 3D engine, right? So yeah, one more thing actually, we will use the latest model which is just launched is 3.1 Pro, which is highly actually that features available, so that I will just use that. So choose this, and yeah, also select that mode, and I'll just paste it my recommendation. So this is my requirement as a build a Flutter game. These are that requirement. So if you don't know how we can create and generate, so you can see my recommendation videos, and also don't worry, end of this video I'll tell you how we can generate this prompt. And yeah, one more thing we have to just mention over here. So yeah, I'll just add this line, if Flutter project is not exist, so please create from scratch, so that they can easily understand, and if it does not have any Flutter project, so they can create. So that is actually safe side. So yeah, let me hit enter. Okay, so yeah, in this version actually they are asking this model is not available for this version. So the solution is we have to uninstall and install that latest one, because without that I don't see is there anywhere an option to upgrade this IDE. Okay, so yeah, let me uninstall and install that again. So once you're done, so I'll just close my application and uninstall my app and then reinstall that. So let me back to uninstall and reinstall, and then we'll try again. So once I done, so now I just completely done, and also see there's a view logs as well, so I'll leave it that. And yeah, I'll take it the latest one, which is 118.5. Yes, 118.5. So yeah, let me try to now this. So yeah, check this in a Gemini, and then again pasted my requirement. And one more thing, just we want to add it over here, as like we just previously add that if it is not exist. So yeah, I think if it is not exist, so just create from scratch, that's it. Okay, and once you're done, now hit enter again. Perfect. Now this time I can see they just start working with this Gemini 3.1 Pro. So yeah, basically the resolution is that just install that and install that latest version, that's it. And here I can see they just create the task, and also they just prepare, I guess, that plan as well. So yeah, let's see the task actually. They project setups, and then goals and loops, fake 3D road rendering, object showing, and then and all. And also parallelly they just start to create that Flutter project. So see, they are starting to create a Flutter project. So that should be create over here inside this folder itself, because they're just using a dollars period sign. So that will be create the new project inside that also. So yeah, let's wait to complete their plan and create a new project, and then we will get started. Well, I can see the implementation plan also got ready, and let me go through the implementation plan. But yeah, also I can see the project got ready. Now Flutter project like sample template got ready, and according to they just create a implementation plan, and the plan is called description properly over here, then explain that fake 3D and all. So whatever that plan actually this propose just change, so yeah, whatever the change they want to change, this file want to create, and also this verification plan. So yeah, I think I am good with that, and let's see how they just build this game using that. So yeah, simply I can just proceed that, so I can just proceed. So finally I can see they just completed, and here they just providing the walkthrough. So let's go to walkthrough. So here they just walk through what they have done. So just create this, and also fake 3D mathematical things, and also they just whatever the simulated distance and all. So yeah, I think we are good with these things, and just let me try to run this application. So also they just provide this run command, so we can just directly run this inside this directory. Also they just provide this directory. So yeah, go to that terminal, and in this terminal simply, and also yeah, before that I'll just accept all that changes. So these are changes actually they have just created. So and this is that our root directory, this complete application, and I have to run this application using then flutter run. Okay, so before run actually, if you want to run this application in local, definitely you have to require that emulator. So yeah, let me open this emulator as well. So now I just open my emulator here, and simply I can hit enter. Okay, so see, if I run this command flutter run, I'm getting this error. So just because of this error, we have to go to this particular directory, right? So this is my directory, endless runner. So I have to go to this directory. So yeah, I can just go to cd endless, and then go to inside this directory, and then you can just run this command. So simply I can just copy this, or simply I can just flutter run. Yeah, once you flutter run, now this time I can yeah, so now it start building. So now once you complete, if there is no error in this application, so definitely it will try to deploy my local emulator. So yeah, let me try to wait. Finally build complete, and it's just create a local build, and this apk file, and it will just try to deploy it in my emulator automatically. And finally I can see my application is running, and look like I can see this is a road. And yeah, let me try to run this application. So start the game and crash. So yeah, okay, let me try to, oh my god, okay, so perfect. So this time I can see, wow, very nice. But yeah, in my local emulator it is little hard to play this game, but don't worry, we'll try this game in my real device. So yeah, let me try, I can move it to here and there. No, I think it is little hard to move here and there, but yeah, like look like actually this is the forwarding that game in previous whatever we have built in last time. Wow. Okay, so yeah, now we are good that, like, so local build this game, and now we will try to create a apk file so that we can deploy my real device. So for real device, simply just comment, I can just terminate here, and as like we have just built create a apk file, simply we have to put a one command, and this is that command actually we using flutter build apk and release, using that release. So once you hit this one, so it will just create a apk file inside this output folder, and that apk file we will try to move it my real device, and we will install and run it over there. And I can see, yeah, so build got created for apk file, so we can directly click on that, and this is that apk file we just inside this output folder in this particular project output folder. And if I just go to this particular directory, so here that file, okay, so this file actually we will try to move it over here to my real device. So yeah, let's moving to there, and then we will try to install. So here my real device actually, and also I share this in my WhatsApp. So let me open this app directly over here, open this file, and here do you want to, yeah, and install that. Yeah, once installed I can just simply try to open it. Okay, so now my application is running in my real device. So this is my real device, and let me try to start this game. Yeah, now I can see I can just play easily over here. Yeah, see, I can just very fast, and now this is that real game actually I just built, and also it's perfectly working as a 3D and it's moving forward. So yeah, I think that's perfectly fine, and this is look like as a real game and without any external dependency on all, only just build this game in my Flutter app. So yeah, I think that pretty much good for this session. And if I see that whatever the changes they made, just simple just made the changes, only this few component actually we just built it over here, and this game is ready. And yeah, I think that pretty much good. So yeah, thank you. Have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.